Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another Ipsy Plus, so let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another Ipsy Plus, if I can get that in my hands. Alright, so Ipsy, for those of you who don't know, Ipsy Plus, well, Ipsy Glam Back Plus to be exact, it's a $25 subscription. What they give you is 5 full-size products. They do have a $12 smaller bag, which you still get the makeup bag, but those are like sample and deluxe sizes. And then they have a bigger one, which is called Ultimate Ipsy. And then for that one, I believe it's $50 or $60, and you get like a ton more products in it. I stick with this one because I like the full-size products and I don't need that many skincare products. So that's kind of what I prefer. All right, so this is the way that the box comes in here. And if you need any of the information, I'll definitely have that underneath videos so you guys can check that out. I like it. I like Ipsy because I guess compared to BoxyCharm, I believe it's the same price, but Ipsy you can actually skip. So if there's something that you don't, and they let you pick a product. So if there's something that you don't need or you don't want, you can always skip. So if you look at the history of my channel, or if you're watching this on my blog, and if you search for Ipsy, you'll see I don't get this box every month, but when I do, it's because I actually want something that's in it. So like I said, this is the way that the box comes inside. So give me a second. And we have to unbox it. All right, so inside it always comes with this foam here, and it says discover yourself. So they do package it well. I've never had like any products leak or break or anything like that. So let's get started. Okay, so they always give you like a postcard. Now I'm not too sure, let me see. Yeah, I'm not too sure if they stopped posting like the retail price of this, but I've noticed that they don't. So I'll actually, if you're looking at my blog, I'll have the breakdown of this box so you guys can see if it's worth it. Again, it's $25 so for me, it's always been, the value has always been over $100. But this one is basically like tips about like beauty staycation. So we don't care about that. We want to know what's inside the box. Am I right? All right. And let me know in the comment section below if you guys get Ipsy. I know people prefer Ipsy or BoxyCharm. I just like this one because I get to skip it if I don't like anything that's coming. Plus, I get to choose an item. Okay, so we'll start with the smallest thing here. So this is, let me see. This is Nature's Cartel. This is a shimmer lip gloss. Okay, so this is, let me just show you guys. That's what is in the box. And then, well, that's not what's in the box, but that's the way that the box looks like here. You guys can see that. And then this is the lip gloss. I like lip glosses. I know some people don't. I actually do. So this looks to be clear. And I like something that I can use all the time. So this one is going to be perfect for me. I don't like to go full blown out fancy to the grocery store. I mean, we rarely not even doing that right now. So this is perfect. So this is something I can use at home. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's right there, but it's like a little shimmery shine there. So this is perfect for me. I can throw this in my purse or just wear it around the house if I want to be all fancy at the house. All right, so that's one thing. All right, so the next thing we have here, let me just show you this one. I'll show you guys the box. So this is 60 Seconds to Beautiful Brows is what it says there. And let me see what this one looks like. It looks like a brow kit is what it looks like. Yep, that's what it is. Okay, so see there's a brush, and there's like where you can brush it out or you can comb your brows out. And then this is, it says $1 Billion Brows. This is in taupe. All right, so we're gonna swatch this just to see if this is near my eyebrow color. It's not that dark, so I can see you having to blend this one in. So you can see that there. So yeah, my hair is brown, so this would be perfect. All right, so that's one, well, that's two things. That's number 2. And then let me see. So the next thing we have here is from Il Makiage. This is color Boss. This is what that looks like there. Let me see. It says Eyes on the Prize, color Boss. So let me see if we can swatch this out or open it, either way. Oh, I see. There's tape. So that's Lynette. That is the reason why you can't open it. Okay. All right. So I just figured it out. So there you go. So that's the way the box looks. That's why I couldn't open it, because there was tape on it. All right. So this is actually what it is there. And then this is eyeshadow. So it's called Eyes on the Prize. Let me tell you, the packaging is super, super, super thick. So it's not like that cheap little package. And of course, with all these, I'll have the full retail value of it on my blog, so you guys can check that out. So I'm gonna do a swatch so you guys can see what this one looks like there. So you go. They kind of go together. So this one was like a go together thing here. And then we have 2 more things. Oh, let me show you guys, I almost forgot. Let me show you, like I said, every Ipsy bag, you do get a makeup bag, okay? So this is the one, this is the theme. Every month there's a different theme. So this one was, obviously we're in summer, even though we can't wander. I hope you guys are staying safe, but even though we can't wander, we can dream about it. So this was cute. And then, oh, I didn't even realize this. I don't know, did you guys see there's like an airplane on there? Okay, so that's cool. All right, let me see inside. So inside is purple too. Sometimes with these bags, the inside is like a different color, but you see there it says Ipsy. This is like a plasticky, not plastic, well, I guess you can say it's plastic, like a plasticky material. Every bag is totally different from each other, but my daughter saw this. You can see what's coming in your package too when you go onto your account. So my daughter, she saw this bag in my account and she was like, she's grabbing it. So I already know she's taking this from me. Okay, and the next thing we have here is, this is sheet masks. Now they gave me 3. I love sheet masks. I know everyone's different. I actually prefer sheet masks. I try to do this twice a month. Not twice a month, twice a week. I try to do a sheet mask and then like the mud mask or something else on a different day. So this is hyaluronic. This is from Midflower. This is hyaluronic acid moisturizing mask. So that's what it looks like there. And then usually on the back it tells you how long to leave this in. So this is a 30-minute one. So these are like cool right now. All of us are home, so we got to do that spa at home. So these are like really good to do at home. So I have 3. And then the next thing we have here, now this I saved the best for last. This is actually what I chose. And I don't remember how much the retail value of this one was, but it was super expensive. So this is actually Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Night Oil. This is a glass bottle, so they had it wrapped up for me. And then that's what that looks like here. Okay, so if you open this one up, I have combination skin. In the summer, it does tend to be a little bit oily, but I'm finding that now for some reason, it is a little bit dry. So usually what I use is I use oil at night just to get that overnight moisture. This is what it looks like here. So you see that? And then let me just show you, that's what it looks like. And then we'll do a drop, a smidge drop. So it's kind of blue. So you see that? It doesn't really have a scent to it, but I like Sunday Riley products. I don't know about you guys, I love Sunday Riley products. The last Sunday Riley product I was able to get from Ipsy was actually the toner, and I still actually have that. So, okay, so that was everything in my box. Let me know in the comments section below, because I know a lot of people were saying they tried to get the Sunday Riley and they didn't. I'll give you guys one tip. Ipsy gives you the option to choose. If you are a subscriber, they give you the option to choose on the 24th. Now, what I found on the 24th, when I wake up in the morning, I'll open up the Ipsy app and those options are there. So I'm thinking by the time folks actually get an email from Ipsy, it's always hours later. But if you open up the app early in the morning or sometime early in the morning, it's usually between, I don't know, I'm Central Standard Time, so it's usually between 6 to 8. I don't recall, but I put a reminder on my phone so I don't forget. If you open up that app during that time frame, those choices are there. So I know that a lot of people say that they can't get the Sunday Riley products or the products that they prefer. You got to get in there really early just to try to get them. Okay, so I hope that helped. I don't know. If you guys have found something else that has worked for you, I'm noticing if I do it early in the morning, then I can totally like get what I want. All right, so let us do a recap and see what all came in my Ipsy for this month. All right, so we have the Sunday Riley, which was my choice. And then we have the brow kit, And then we have the 3 sheet masks. So we have that. And then we also have, here we go, El Maquillage. We have that there. And then we have the lip gloss. And of course, the makeup bag. I love it because, like I said, the Sunday Riley product alone by herself, she's way more expensive than the $25 I paid for the box. So just her, excuse me, just see, I'm overwhelmed with shock. Just with that product alone, it is super worth it for me. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below if what you guys got that was your favorite product for this month in July. And with that being said, don't forget, please, don't forget to check out my blog. I actually post a new review and blog every single day of the week. So the YouTube videos are just a portion of the reviews that I do. So if you really want an in-depth review on products, definitely go check out my blog so you guys can get more information. And with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good day, guys.